What's up, internet? We got some stuff. First up, we have our ATI Racing Turbo 400 SFI certified bell housing because ours is no good and we want to go fast. So shout out to them. Got this one. Quick car release for the steering shaft we're building. These are our, like I said, our LS to big block water pump adapters for the big block water pump that we're putting on. And this Grant steering wheel. We're gonna obviously add our buttons to it, but yeah, that for that. Quick release, hang it up. I love this. This is a great looking steering wheel. It's got good feel. So, and I got my milling oil pump pickup O-rings, but they're already on, so you'll see that later. Like with the oil pump, got the right O-ring for the high pressure. Make sure you put your O-rings in a good spot. You don't lose them or throw them out by accident. Lane. I'm gonna put that together, put the windows tray on, pull the intake back off, shove that bad boy back in the Ranger. I put the oil pan back on, put the proper O-ring in. Had to change oil pans. We were gonna use that one, but right here, Lane hit it against the ground. And with it sitting for a week and a bit, started leaking all this oil out of it. So now we know this pan's no good. So we had this one, so gonna put in on our LS to big block Chevy adapter brackets and test fit that while the engine is out. Painted the pan black. Got our oil drain in. Now I'm gonna stick this in its forever home. Maybe forever home. It might be the last time it comes out, but you never know.
Easy for you to say, hard for me to drift away. Tipsy you meet in the bar. Tipsy you follow back to his car. Soon I'll be just another memory. You and me.
And it's home. For now. Who needs a lane? Dude, who needs a lane? That's where our turbo drain ended up being, right there. So it's going to be a nice swoop in. I mean, this is leaning a little bit forward, but a little more back than usual, but I'll still be able to mock the rest of the stuff up here. See if this fits before the battery dies. Good morning, internet. Yesterday my camera died. Well, I was just about to leave to go home, but put this in, put the water pump in, check for clearances. We do not have very much room here. I'm gonna cut this out or put two small ones. I'm not sure exactly what we're gonna do. Yeah, we have room in here between the plastic piece that goes in there for the grill and stuff. Now we can make a plan for intercooler piping. We're gonna route that. I ordered our Moroso remote thermostat so we can wire it into there and then pop it into here. I don't know exactly how we're gonna put it yet. It's very exciting that we're now putting things in. They should be able to stay in unless we really mess something up. Yeah, that's our update for this morning. I'm gonna put the intercooler on, and I mucked up the bumper because I just want that's not hanging in the right spot, so ignore that. Let's just look in our cold side. Is gonna start going down here. I guess I could have left the turbo on, but like, look at all that. The bumper's gonna hide absolutely everything for going into that intercooler. Same as on this side. Come over and up. Oh, oops. Gonna come up in here, 90 in. Or we'll come up and over. I don't know. We'll figure it out when it comes to that time and I have stuff here to make it. Rad's in, intercooler's in, engine's in. Mocking up. You know? It's been a couple weeks. I haven't had Lane. Should have Lane early next week. Then we can do some. We're gonna finish the cage. We're gonna start wiring the truck. We're gonna start plumbing the truck. We're really making some big progress here. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell us what we're doing wrong. Tell us what we're doing right and all that stuff. But remember, drive fast, take chances, risky habits.